weather radio station WXJ57 at 162.400 megahertz from South Bend. KXI 94 at 162.425 megahertz from Angola. WXJ58 at 162.550 megahertz from Fort Wayne. WWG 45 at 162.500 megahertz from North Webster. KJY 62 at 162.500 megahertz from LaPorte. And WXM 98 at 162.450 megahertz at Marion. The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern St. Joseph County, northeastern LaPorte County, and south central Berrien County in Michigan until 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time or 6:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:31 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, 5:31 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm is located near New Buffalo, or 7 miles east of Trail Creek, moving east at 25 miles per hour. 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail are possible with these storms. Impacts: hail damage to vehicles are expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, sidings, and trees. Locations impacted include New Carlisle, Three Oaks, Dayton, Gallion, Hudson Lake, Hesston, Springville, Bowling Perry, and Byron. This includes the following highways: Interstate 80 in Indiana between mile markers 50 and 67, Interstate 94 in Indiana between mile markers 43 and 45, Interstate 94 in Michigan near mile marker 0. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning is in effect for northwestern St. Joseph County in Indiana, northeastern LaPorte County in Indiana, and south central Berrien County in Michigan until 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time or 6:15 p.m. Central Daylight